Good morning, entrepreneurs and builders. Welcome to the Breaking Business Podcast, where we don't just talk marketing and entrepreneurship, we dissect it, we challenge it, we extract those golden nuggets that you can actually use every single day. Business is in your blood, and I'm here to make it boil. I'm your host, Dr. Wood. Now let's break it down and build something great.
Now, I don't think you need a full-time schedule, a fancy website, or even a big audience to start a coaching business. What I do think you need is a proven framework, a real problem that you can help solve for any potential client, and about 3 to 4 hours a day to focus on this work. And today, in this video, I'm going to be walking through exactly how you could potentially launch and grow a coaching business part-time with real income potential and zero burnout. Now, to start off with this, I want to say that coaching is one of the fastest growing online business models. And here's why. There's low overhead. It's you, it's your experience, it's your expertise. There's little to no inventory. Unless you want to pay for a microphone or a pencil or, a headset when you're talking with clients. But really, in essence, it's just you. You're going to be monetizing your expertise, not your time one-on-one forever. It's scalable, it's flexible, and you can do it without quitting your job. You can do it without blowing through savings or even working 10 hours a day. Here's what makes it work. You're solving a problem for a specific person with a repeatable and scalable methodology. So let's break down your schedule into 3 simple blocks. Hour 1, you're going to want to attract and nurture leads. This is about visibility and trust. I want you to post one piece of content. I'm talking a reel, a tweet, a Facebook post, or a YouTube short. Then I want you to engage with the comments and the direct messages. Lastly, email your list or start one if you haven't. The goal for this is to get seen and build awareness, spark conversations. Hour 2, you're going to deliver coaching or help build a system. Depending on your stage, if you're new, you're going to spend this hour creating your offer, your PDF, your mini course. Or if you already have clients, this is the session time for group coaching hour. The goal for this is going to be to deliver transformation and build back-end assets that can scale. Then in hour 3, without being sleazy or subterfuge or anything like that, is scammy, focus on the client acquisition activities, DM outreaches, follow-ups, or you can potentially run a live or pre-recorded sales call. You want to improve your landing page to reflect these instances and offer clarity on who you are, what you provide, how you do it. The goal for this is to make an offer daily, even if it's a soft magnet. Consistency is going to create momentum. Now, here's a little pro tip. You're not going to need a huge funnel on day 1. You need 4 things essentially. You want one outcome, one offer, one audience, one method to deliver. Keeping it simple is going to be your best bet starting out. And then I want you to refine it as you go. As you improve, you want to evolve each of these steps. Now, here's some must-have tools that will help you, scale your business, create your business, all in the name of improving day after day. The first thing you're going to need is a website or a landing page and something like either card or lead pages, something simple to develop that landing page. And then you're going to want to have an email marketing system, ConvertKit, Beehive, MailLite, which is free to start, a booking calendar, Calendly, video delivery, we want Zoom, simple funnels such as the lead magnet to the email nurture to the discovery call to the client. These 4 steps are going to be your bread and butter for the coaching business. It's the flow, this flow. And don't forget that Canva is a content machine for design. You can plug and play, you can take templates, you can basically get in, get out with Canva for designing adverts or anything around your coaching creatives. Now, if you're stuck on what to coach, here's a few quick examples. 1, you have the skill-based coaching. An example of this is helping busy professionals learn public speaking in 30 days. That's a quick 1 sentence of what I do. This is great for educators, performers, salespeople. There's also the lifestyle or transformation coaching. An example of this is I help moms lose 10 pounds without restrictive dieting. It works for fitness, mindsets, wellness, things to uplift people or people who need some sort of reinforcement tool as they're leveling up themselves, essentially. Then another example is the business or niche coaching. So example is I help Etsy sellers double their shop traffic in around 8 weeks. It's great for marketers, e-commerce veterans, freelancers. Your job isn't to be famous. Your job is to solve one clear problem better than anyone else in your niche and capitalizing on that. Now here's the bottom line with this entire business. You're not going to need 8 hours a day to build this business. You need roughly 3 to 4 focused hours and the right system that you refine day in and day day out. And before we head out, what would you coach on if you got started today? What expertise do you hold? Or if you are already coaching, pitch it down below. What's a bottleneck that you think you're facing? And maybe there are people in the comments that can help provide you insight. And as always, if you disagree with my opinions, please post them below. Let's have a conversation. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.